Unprecedented.
Unprecedented.
Brand new, never seen before, groundbreaking, or unparalleled. Unparalleled, which means which has no
Yes.
match. All good?
Okay.
Any of the word you want me to explain you
English.
in more detail or all clear?
All clear till now.
Sure, good. Next word is
Okay. Misgiveness.
you haven't
Okay.
said it correctly.
Misgivings.
Very easy to pronounce or very easy to say.
Doubt.
Misgivings, doubts.
Misgivings. Doubts. Worries. Reservation. Second thoughts.
Reservations. When you are doubtful or you are unsure of something, it means okay, you have a doubt. The word is misgivings. All clear?
Yes.
We have discussed or we got to know four words so far. Presided, led the meeting, the one who was in charge, eloquence, fluency, unprecedented, never seen before, or misgivings, doubtful worries. All
Okay.
clear?
Okay.
Shall we move on to the next set of words?
Yes.
They are quite easy to understand.
Supreme.
Ah,
Ultimate. Greatest. Absolute peak.
all clear?
Yes.
You know almost all of the words. Ultimate, greatest,
Sh-
absolute, peak. That might be the
Yes.
new one for you, but it comes from the word shield.
Shielded. Shield. Shield.
Ha,
Protect. Gu- guided.
very good.
Question.
Cushioned,